So hello everybody, in today's video we are dealing with a question from the 2025 physics board exam. In this question we are asked to derive the expression for the lateral shift in a glass slab. We are also asked under what conditions will this shift be minimum. So let's get started. So in any question in physics the key is to look for the right angle triangles. So in this question let's take triangle OQP. So let's find the sine of this angle. You will understand why in a moment. Sine of I minus r is nothing but PQ divided by OP. Because we are trying to derive an expression for this, so we have to get this into place somehow. That's why we are finding the sine of angle I minus r. Now why I minus r? We know that this angle is vertically opposite to angle I, and now this angle is bisected into two parts, r and I minus r. That's why we take sine of angle of I minus r. Now let's substitute x over here. We'll get sine of I minus r is equal to x divided by OP. So from which we can say x is equal to OP times sine of I minus r. Now we have to get the thickness into place somehow. For that we will be taking another right angle triangle. Let's take triangle OMP. Over here, in order to get the thickness, we have to find the cos of this angle. So let's just do that. If we do cos of r, which will give us OM divided by OP. And we know OM is equal to T, so let's just substitute that. We'll get cos r is equal to T by OP. And now if we rearrange, we'll get OP is equal to T divided by cos r. Now let's take this OP and substitute it over there. We'll get x is equal to T times sine of I minus r divided by cos r. And that's your answer for the first subdivision. And under what conditions will this be minimum? This will be minimum when the angle of incidence is equal to 0. In essence, the light ray is incident normally on the glass slab. It can also be minimum when the thickness of the glass slab is very less. You would have learnt in your practical that D is directly proportional to T, and D in this case is X, so X is directly proportional to T, and by decreasing T you can also decrease X. Thank you.